Hey everybody, it's cold. I'm out riding around. I'm freezing. I had to stop, try to warm up a little bit. While I was here, I got to thinking, I got this really cool little device for my camera that I've never really talked about. The company is Dango Design, and they make this little clamp-on. My fingers are so cold I can't really squeeze it. Little clamp-on device. Of course, I got my GoPro mounted on it. It clamps on the front of your helmet, or basically anything else you could think to clamp it on. Works like a champ. It got a little rubber mouthpiece on one side and hard plastic on the other. It clamps down very securely. I've put hundreds and hundreds of miles on the bike with that thing clamped on my front of my face, and there ain't any problems with it. So, you know what? If you're out here and you're doing this moto vlogging thing, and you want something that's not permanently attached to your helmet, because I really don't want to stick something on the side of my helmet, have it sitting there catching the wind and making noise when I ain't videoing, you know. So yeah, that thing's pretty cool. It comes with a mount for a GoPro or an action camera, top mount, you know, the little 3 prongs, just slide right through. You know what? Works great. So if you're looking for something, check it out. I found mine on Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link, put it here in the description. We'll see you.